First, we need to be clear about what a niche is. A niche is a subset of the market on which our business is focused, aiming at satisfying specific market needs. This might be something like the dating market, the weight loss, or the finance niche. And if we drill a bit deeper, then we discover that there are also sub-niches. Now, what are sub-niches? If we use the dating market as an example, sub-niches are something like how to find a girlfriend, how to get your ex back, or how to have more one-night stands than Mick Jagger. In other words, a sub-niche targets a more specific audience and tries to satisfy more specific market needs. And actually, you can drill even deeper and target micro-niches. For example, how divorced men find a new girlfriend is a micro-niche within the dating niche, or the how to find a girlfriend sub-niche. So targeting a well-defined segment of the market is important. However, make sure that the niche you choose is not too specific. If your niche is too narrow, then your target audience might be too small and you won't be able to profit on a large scale. So the segment of the market also shouldn't be too broad. Otherwise, it won't be possible to target a well-defined audience. And for this reason, I recommend building your business around sub-niches. Before I walk you through the process of finding a hot niche, here's what I want you to do. First, pause the video, stand up, do some stretching and prepare for some mind-blowing gold nuggets. Get yourself an energy drink, some coffee or tea, and make sure you're wide awake and pumped. So listen closely. There are 3 things I want you to be aware of. First, start out with one niche. I know that you're a talented internet marketer, business person, and entrepreneur, but it really doesn't make sense at all starting out with 2 or more niches. Start with one fan page in one niche and expand from there. Second, start with a niche you enjoy working in. You can outsource all business components later down the road, but since you're doing it yourself first, you can't forget that you're still in the learning process and will hit obstacles. I'm at your side and help you no matter what, but it's you who has to take action. So start with a niche you're personally interested in to make the learning experience more rewarding. And third, stay away from untapped niches. In fact, I always tackle the most competitive niches because I know these are profitable. Remember, untapped niches equal risk because you have no solid proof that the niche has some serious earning potential. Also, you'll have a hard time finding business partners and build a network if you're the only person selling products in that niche. So go for the most profitable niches only, and I can guarantee that you will see great results. Okay, so how do we find a hot niche to build a business around? The first logical step is coming up with a list of potential niche ideas. Take a pen and paper or just open a WordPad. This way you've got all the tools to get started. And we are going to do some brainstorming, but we'll do it the right way. In case you have trouble coming up with a profitable evergreen niche, then you're probably just like me. I'm horrible at brainstorming, seriously. In case you aren't the most creative person, then I've got something really cool for you. Instead of taking a pen and paper, staring out of the window and just writing everything down that crosses your mind, I recommend approaching the niche research in a more structured and a more systematic manner. Whenever I want to tap into a new niche, I reach out for the following 2 core resources. That's ClickBank and Amazon. Okay, so you've probably heard of ClickBank. It's the biggest and most profitable affiliate network on the net in all sorts of niches and price ranges. So go to www.clickbank.com to find products that other people have built successful businesses around. The idea is actually very, very simple. Identify products that other people make money with and create a Facebook community around it. So by working backwards and reverse engineering what is working and what's selling, you don't risk setting up a business in a niche that isn't hot at all. And ClickBank represents the best way to find hot niches and is the ultimate tool for the niche research process. So seriously, don't try to reinvent the wheel. Model things after what is already working for others. That's what successful internet marketers and business people do. So let me ask you this. Did Steve Jobs invent the computer? No, he just did a better job, right? Or did Henry Ford invent the car? No, he's just the father of the assembly line technique of mass production. Or is Mark Zuckerberg the founder of the first social media network ever? Heck no, Facebook is basically just a better version of MySpace, okay? So how cool is that? Just do a better job of what's already selling and just cash in big. It's that simple.